Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. Ang ating latest vlog ay tungkol sa ginanap na Miss UPH 2025 Grand Coronation Night. At bakit kung sino na nanalo, malalaman natin pa. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Gusto mo likes, shares, comments, at views, abutin ng 500. It's supporting natin sa ating social media account. Latest vlog, 331, episode 331 entitled Miss Universe Philippines Recap. Your share vlog. Okay, eto na. Panoorin natin ang highlights. Oh, yeah. Eto na. Last Friday, May 2, ginanap ang Miss UPH or Miss Universe PH o Philippines 2025 sa ginanap in Mall of Asia Arena last Friday, May 2. Hosted by Gabby Garcia and Sian Lim, Tim Yap, and Erica Lee with performances from by Marlon Montel and James Reid. May napili na nanalo Miss UPH para i-represent sa Miss Universe 2025 sa November in Thailand. Pero bago yan, una muna natin yung nasa top 6, yung may appointment title now. Appointment title after ng show. Here is, eto na. We have the winners are Katrina Legardo, Chelsea Fernandez, and Gabriela Carvalho as the appointment title from Miss Echo International PH, Miss Cosmo Philippines, and Miss Supranational PH. Ayan. Kung may Miss Supranational PH, para si Pauline Amelix. Yan yung first runner-up. And you are the winner. Second runner-up, si Miss Silonia Laguna na si Iliana Aduana. Ayan. Siya yung Miss Earth Philippines 2023 and Miss Earth First Runner-Up 2023. First runner-up, si Teresita Sen Winwin Marquez as the first runner-up na naging Reina Hispano-Americana 2017. Yan. Siya yung nanalo noong 2017. Tapos first runner-up sa Miss UPH. At ang Miss Universe Philippines 2025 ay si from Quezon Province na si Maria Atisa Manalo. And her successors from Chelsea Manalo of Bulacan to another Manalo, yung last name na si Atisa Manalo. Ayan. Congratulations and good luck sa Miss Universe Philippines 2025. Oh, yung sa evening gown portion, I'm very sorry pasensya na sa medyo natawa ko. Si Maria Atisa nanalo, or Manalo, bakit nanalo? O panalo na lang. Manalo ay nadulas o nadapa habang nag-walk down the evening gown portion on her pink gown. Ilang nangyari sa high heel. Ang problema, ano pong inch talaga? Ay, is it a 4 inch or a 2 inch? Nako! Di ko alam. But, congratulations to Atisa Manalo, Miss UPH 2025 winner. I'm so sorry, pasensya na sa nanonood ng balita sa 24 oras o sa mga news programs. But, congrats, Atisa Manalo, and be brave and good luck para hindi madulas Alamira Kimbao. And good luck sa mga nanalo Miss UPH title holders para sa international pageant. And mabuhay, Atisa. Yan for our latest vlog for today's video. See you next time. Bye. God bless.